Hello kitchen queens and kings. Today we are going to make a very easy and simple recipe which is very unique and crispy in taste. So let's quickly start making it. We need one big size raw potato and one onion. And first of all we will cut the onion in slices. Just try to keep the onion slices thin. We don't need very thick slices. We will keep these onion slices aside for now and let's move on to the next step. So here we have a potato. This is raw potato, not boiled, and we need to grate it. The best part of this recipe is the main ingredients are onions and potatoes, which are always available at our houses, and this snack takes really less time to make, so we can instantly make them at any time. Let's transfer grated potatoes in a mixing bowl and we will add half cup of gram flour into it. Let's mix it properly. And now we will add some dry spices. So here I am adding 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon red chili powder. You can adjust salt and chilies according to your taste. And we will add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon degi mirch powder and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. And I am adding 3 finely chopped green chilies, which is completely optional. If you don't like very spicy, you can just skip it. Let's mix all the things properly. And this mixture is looking a little bit dry, so I'm adding only 2 spoon water in it. We don't need to add a lot of water as potatoes has natural moisture in them. Let's mix it again. And this is the consistency we need. And our mixture is ready, so let's move on to the gas burner. Here on medium flame I have kept a non-stick pan and our pan is hot. So let's pour 1 to 2 tablespoon oil on it. We will take 1 tablespoon of potato mixture and spread it like this in a circle shape. Just try to keep it thin, spread it as much as you can. And now we will place 1 onion slice on this, keep it in center. And we will cover this onion slice with more potato mixture. So I have taken half teaspoon more potato mixture and let's spread it on onion slice. And we will follow the same step with rest of the mixture. And we need to keep the flame on medium only. Let's check if one side is done. We will flip it gently. And it's almost done from a side. You can see it's looking very crispy and golden brown. So let's flip all the pieces. And we will let them cook till they get golden brown from both of the sides. And our simple, tasty, quick, easy, crispy snack, potato and onion snack is ready to serve hot. You can enjoy it with dhania ki chutney, coriander chutney or tomato ketchup. It's a perfect tea time snack. If you'll try it at your home, I'm sure you are going to love it. So don't forget to share your experience with me in comment section. I love your comments. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing it. Tap on the bell icon too so that you can get notifications whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for today. We will catch up again really soon.